Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're gonna do something I had some requests for. I've been requested to make a few more keto recipes as I've been kind of on a diet myself. I can say keto, but low carb. But today is a really great one. Just made one of these a little while ago, kind of testing out so I can show you how it needs to be done. And turned out delicious, delicious. And there's a few different things I'm doing here on the set, trying some new things out. But today, I have some Schmidt on the set. I don't know what to do. I have some Schmidt.
What are you trying to say?
I have cooking with the Schmidt on the set. That's what I'm trying to say. What's up, buddy?
What's up? How you doing?
Doing good.
Awesome,
Yep.
awesome.
Steven Schmidt, cooking with the Schmidt, decided to stop by here for a few days. We've been cooking all kind of stuff, making reels, TikToks. And I'm like, I got to get a video made, and we got to do something. We came up with this. I do believe it's going to be super simple, don't you?
Oh,
and what we just tried was delicious.
It was real good.
We did try it. Like I said, we had to test it and see how it's going to work. But as you can see, it's not going to take much at all to throw these together. It's a few simple ingredients. Now, as far as ingredients go, hey, you know how you like your pizza. Use what you like. This is just something we grabbed right here together, just threw together like these are quick, simple, easy recipes. That's what we do here. Make it complicated if you want to. How you like your pizza is 100% to you. Let us know in the comments down below what you like on your pizzas, because pizzas, so many variations. Pepperoni, we have mushrooms. Now.
Sorry, I like pepperoni.
He loves pepperoni, trust me. We've already had to buy a couple packs of it. So now, as far as the griddle goes, I went ahead and got it all fired up, put all 4 burners on low. And now, that's the kind of key thing I'm going to show you here in a minute of where the placement on the griddle does matter with these things. We lived and learned, let's just put it that way. So now, I say we go over there and check on that griddle and see if it's ready for some groceries. What you think?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hey, Schmidt, I see some white smoke. You know what that means, buddy?
That means it's time to get some groceries on the griddle.
Time to get the groceries on the griddle. Let's throw down some Italian sausage first. Get it on there, pull your paper off. Look, I got Schmidt looking around the griddle. Now, I do have the entire griddle on low. So we're just gonna kind of get this all cooked up.
When do we cook the pepperoni?
When the pizzas are almost close to being done. You don't want to overcook them. Of course, you don't have to have cooked pepperoni, do you?
I don't have to, no.
I don't think you do.
No.
So we're gonna get the sausage browned up first.
What about now?
Not yet.
Oh.
Not yet. So we ain't doing the pepperoni yet, but we are gonna do some mushrooms. So I'm gonna throw down a little bit of oil, kind of back there in the back, and just throw my mushrooms on.
I like mushrooms too.
Do you like mushrooms?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you like turtles?
I do like turtles.
That was actually him in that meme. If anybody out there knows what we're talking about, that was him. I like turtles. Yep, that was him as a young kid. So anyhow, let's get these mushrooms here done. It won't take the sausage long at all to cook.
I love that sound.
Oh, me and you both.
Gosh.
Sound of the sizzle. I still think that should be a copyrighted sound, because you know, sound of the waves coming in, sound of the ocean breeze, all that, you know, you should kind of sleep to it. Rain on a tin roof.
I can sleep to this.
This ought to be a sound.
I might be hungry.
I say what we ought to do is record this sound and make a YouTube channel, nothing but sounds of the griddle.
I always said I was
copyrighted, we thought of it.
I always said I was going to record that sound and make it a ringtone.
Ooh.
Like for a text message.
That's an amazing idea. He thought of it, don't you do it. So anyhow, it won't take this sausage long to brown up. And the mushrooms back here to saute up, kind of get them softened up just a little bit.
Smells good.
And if you want to, we're not making very big pieces, you can cut some of these mushrooms in half, make smaller pieces. Now we're just using pre-sliced baby bellas here. If you got a favorite mushroom, by all means use it. That's what I tell them in every video, Schmidt, and you're the same way. There's no exact way of cooking.
Right.
You know, if you like a different type of mushroom, you don't like mushrooms, don't use them. You can make any recipe yours. Take away, add to, whatever you want to do.
Yeah. It's cooking. You make it to how you like it.
Exactly. Cooking is made to be fun.
Is it time for pepperoni now?
No.
Oh.
You know what I could have done? I just thought about it. Because sometimes, and well, almost every time, I think about stuff after I've done it. I'm like, you know, I should have done it this way.
Right, right.
So what I should have done is formed this Italian sausage into patties and smashed it and seared it.
Oh,
like a smash
give it that
burger.
crust?
Like give it that crust.
Then chop it up.
Then chop it up. But that's okay. You try it, let me know how it works out. That sausage is done, dude.
That sausage is done.
And there's not much grease in it. You notice that?
Yeah.
Not much grease at all. But it smells
phenomenal.
There you go. So I'm gonna push that to the back. Just keep it warm. How's that?
Yeah.
Push that. This mushrooms back here, kind of keep them going. It's warm. And anybody new to griddle cooking, the reason I'm pushing them back to the corners of the edges or whatever, the back corners, the sides, all that is always cooler than the center part, always. So if you want to slow down the cooking too fast, and you're already on low, you can kind of move out of the center, move away to the edges. That will slow down the cook some. Make sense?
Smart guy.
Yeah.
Like,
if you have to, and you have this option like we do, a 4-burner, cut some burners off and still slide it over. Because believe it, it's steel. It's going to retain heat.
Yeah, for sure.
So your heat stays over here enough to keep it warm but not cook. So there's all kind of tips and tricks. Maybe we can make a video on that.
Yeah.
Tips and tricks of the griddle.
Some good Schmidt to know about the griddle.
That would be. There you go. You watch the video on his. Good Schmidt to know about the griddle. Now I am going to tell you something that's kind of I'm enjoying. Man, this weather is beautiful.
This weather is
February
amazing.
15th when we're making this video right now. Day after Valentine's. We're in short sleeves out here. It's almost 70 degrees here in South Carolina.
I was going to put shorts on.
I'm glad you didn't. So Schmidt, it's now time to start making these pizzas.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Here comes the fun part.
Now also here comes the tip or trick, I don't know what you want to call this, of what we learned with our test one we did. We put it kind of right here, and what had happened was this side's hotter. So that side kind of cooked and fried, this side was still gooey. So what we're going to do is put it more center to where it fries evenly and a little quicker. Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's do that.
That's a good thing we did a test run.
Now, as far as the size of the pizza, we're going to make them kind of a tortilla size maybe. Just kind of come in here and spread it out. Maybe that size there.
I like it. That looks
I
good.
like it. Let's do several of them. Let's do 2 of them.
Right.
Maybe even 3 of them. What about 3 of them? Sound good?
Yeah, I like 3.
We'll do 3 different variations. How's that? We're kind of making this up as we go along, y'all. Seeing how it works. Let's add a little more cheese to this one. So that's mozzarella. And I'm being handed some Colby Jack blend here. We'll just kind of sprinkle that in there. Because I don't know about everybody out there. And I don't even know about you, Schmidt, but I love a good cheesy pizza. Love it. So get as much cheese and whatever kind of cheese. That's another thing you can change up. Is what kind of cheese you use. You know, if you want Munster, I wouldn't recommend it, but do it.
Pepper Jack even.
Pepper Jack. That would have been good.
Add a little
Some pepper
kick
jack
to
would
it.
be good.
Just a little kick.
Yep. So now, you grab that Blackstone 22 Italiano. That's what I'm,
So good.
this stuff is so good. Problem is, it's so sold out. I don't know, and I need more as my last jar. I don't know if Blackstone products can get any more in, because it's the only place you can get it. If Blackstone, if you're watching, you need some more of this on the shelves. I need more.
Don't discontinue this one.
No, this is so good. Let's get it on the pizzas. Man, this is some good stuff. I don't even know what blend it is. I don't know.
It's an Italian blend.
It's good blend.
Italiano blend.
Italiano blend. All right, now, Schmidt, I need the pepperoni because you've been waiting to cook it. I'm ready for it. What's the matter? You got a phone?
Yeah. My bad. You made me wait too long.
You got any more over there anywhere?
I'll get you some
Go
more.
get me some more. Walk of shame. Not really. I don't think he's ashamed of it.
Just kidding.
We
Here
have.
it is.
You ain't kidding. You eat that bowl. So what we're going to do now is take the pepperoni, and I'm kind of just lay it on it. Like I said, it's a little cooler over here. And just kind of heat this pepperoni up.
Look at it already cooking. Real quick.
Yeah, real fast.
It don't take long.
It don't take long at all. And I'm gonna show you a close-up of this griddle here in just a second, y'all. Y'all be patient.
Oh my, look at that cheese.
Man, yeah, look exactly at that cheese. Look how it's frying up under there.
Yeah.
It's bubbling on top. Oh, check out these pepperonis down here.
I'm excited about those.
Man, and these mushrooms. Yeah, buddy. We fixing to have some good eating going on. And here's another variation. We're using Rayo's tomato basil today. Use Walmart brand, use whatever. I highly recommend the Rayo's. This is some really good Schmidt.
Really good. It is good Schmidt.
It is good Schmidt.
I like that.
And take it and look at there. Lays right on top of that cheese. And if you like a really saucy pizza, make it saucy. Because sometimes it's good to get saucy.
Mm-hmm. Because I'm saucy.
Cheesy and saucy.
Nope, that's not the wrong song.
We're not doing song quotes today?
We could.
We could. We were doing song quotes last night. We went live on TikTok last night and had a really good time. So if you're not following me or him on TikTok, be sure you go over there and check us out too.
Yeah, check us out.
Have a lot of fun over there.
So now with the cheese heating up, that sauce is on top of that cheese now, also heating up. Like we can already see now, the sauce is bubbling on top of the cheese.
Yes, sir. So now, I think I'm gonna add the sausage on first. I was gonna do the pepperoni, but I think I'm gonna do the sausage.
Yeah.
So let's go back here and just kind of sprinkle some sausage on. What y'all think about that? How's that, Schmidt?
Oh, it's smelling good. It's smelling real good. Look at look at that.
Just kind of, and we're gonna make more because the kids are inside, they're hungry, whatever. Kind of spread that out a little bit. And it don't have to be perfect. It just gotta be like you like it. So I'll tell you what, let's make this one sausage and pepperoni.
Claimed.
Okay? Sausage and pepperoni, like that. Good enough. Let's do this one here too.
With pepperoni?
The pepperoni.
Claimed.
And then, oh, one more do. There we go. We'll do some pepperoni.
Claimed. Cool. What are you eating?
Apparently what you don't, I don't know. We got these mushrooms back here. Cannot forget about the mushrooms because my wife said, if you don't put mushrooms on a pizza, I'll be so mad at you.
I heard her say it.
No, my wife does not, you're back there laughing. She does not like mushrooms. But guess what? I do.
Me too.
So we'll take some and just kind of spread them around here, there, and yonder, as we say here in the country. Do you say yonder?
I don't say yonder.
I say buggy. I say yonder.
It's a cart.
It's a buggy.
It's over here, over there.
It's a buggy. No, it's yonder.
Okay.
But anyhow, look how that's doing.
Ooh.
See it staying together?
Yeah.
That's what you're looking for. So, believe it or not, these are ready.
They're done.
Now, if you want to hit them more seasoning, whatever you want to do, they're ready. But now, don't take these up and eat them right away. Don't you do it.
It's going to be hot. It's going to be real hot. And after they cool a little bit, they become a lot more stiff.
Yes.
With the cheese cooling.
They'll thicken up.
It's
harden up. Yeah. So grab you something to take it up on. I just happen to have a custom Blackstone plate. Not another one like this in the world. Schmidt's has some, but he don't have one like this.
No.
This was custom made for me by my good friend, Mama Jan, over here in South Carolina. If you don't follow Jess Farron, you need to follow her because her mama's making all these. Todd Tobin even shouts these out. And yes, I have my own personal one. But right now, I'm going to put some pizzas on it. Let's start out like here with the mushroom one. Look how it just slid off on that plate.
Yep.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, man.
All that fried cheese around it.
That is phenomenal.
Just slides right off. Look at that. Whoop.
Those work better than our
Look at
test
that.
run.
These turned out better because we cooked in a different place.
Yeah.
Let's take them over here and try them out.
All right.
Come on. Well, Schmidt, they look good.
They look phenomenal.
We're not done yet, though.
What's left? What's left?
Some basil, man.
Oh, a little basil on the pizza.
A little bit of basil around. Kind of like a margarita pizza. Kinda.
Right, yeah.
You know, have you ever had one of those?
No.
Dude, they're delicious.
Are they?
Yes, they are. So, if you want basil, if you don't, there's another option. I personally like a little basil on mine. I'm going to leave this one here with no basil.
They smell so good.
Basil adds a little pop of color to them also. Makes them look a little better. And if you want to impress your guests, just kind of lay some around. Look at that. Ooh,
So pretty.
So pretty, because you know why? Pretty food tastes better. Pretty food
And you
just
gotta
tastes
make it
better.
pretty because the camera eats first.
Camera does eat first. If you go to a restaurant and you got a beautiful dish in front of you and you don't take out your phone and take a picture, I don't know if we can be friends.
No.
My family even knows. Don't eat. They'll just sit there and look at their food because they know I'm getting up taking pictures.
Taking pictures first.
Yep. Camera eats first. Speaking of which, you need to see this close up. Just take a look at those. Now that right there, my friends, is fried cheese. I know people in the comments, oh, that's burnt. That's what you want. Fried cheese is like that, and it's so good.
Fried cheese is just so delicious.
But I mean, look how these pizzas turned out. I don't know about you. We got to try this out, Schmidt.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
And so which one you want to try?
Let's get on this one.
Okay, I was thinking that one too.
Yeah.
Go listen. Listen to that crunch. Already. I don't know about you, but I'm just gonna take half of it.
Take half of
We
it.
can pull that half.
All right.
Is it gonna go? I gotta cut some more. There we go. Yes, sir, buddy. Ooh, perfect. Look at that. I want y'all to look at would you just look at that? Yes, sir. All right, let's go in.
Look. We got pepperoni.
Son. That is good. Yes. I don't want to quit eating. He's not. This is good. This is amazing. And the best part, it's keto friendly. There's no dough. But the toppings are unlimited. Again, you can make these however you want. You can season them however you want.
You can eat as much as you want.
And eat as much as you want. Don't even feel guilty about it. Just eat it. Weird Al Yankovic, just eat it. So, no song quote. Wife's out there dancing. She knows that song. Dude, we got to make some more of these.
Yeah.
We got to eat these.
This is so good.
They're so good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Me and Schmidt, we love getting together. Love making these videos for y'all. Y'all be sure to go over there and check out Cooking with the Schmidt. Link to everything he has will be down in the description. Send me your link tree.
All right, got it.
Yep. That way I ain't got to, his link tree be down there. You can click on that. My link tree is down there also. So if you don't mind, try to check it out too. Like I told you earlier, we're on TikTok. Had a great time live on TikTok for 3 hours last night about, wasn't it? Yeah.
Just cooking
Great
to stop
time.
a storm.
Cooking all kind of stuff last night. So be sure to check us out everywhere. But enjoyed you being here. We did. Hope you enjoyed us being with you. You like that, didn't you?
Yeah, that was good.
Pretty good. Pretty off the cuff.
Yep.
We'll see you next time.